Here we go again. Stupid knows no bounds. I opened Faceblog Marketplace a couple weeks ago, and I wasn't logged in for whatever reason, and so it just had a collection of random items on the home page. And this was one of them. Wasn't what I was looking for, but the price was very cheap, so I clicked on it just out of curiosity. And I'm looking through all the photographs, and there's quite a few photographs. Everything seemed copacetic. They were all clear and made sense. So why is this going so cheap? So I look at the description. Retail price $679. I have no idea if that's true or not, but it seems about right. And then I get to the reason for selling, and this is where it was just like, wow. Reason for selling. Not sure how to put tire on. Okay, so you spend $679 on a product, and you can't be bothered to read the instruction manual, which explains it. You can't be bothered to ask somebody to help you. You can't be bothered to look up a video that shows how to put it on. I mean, it's not even that hard in the first place, but some people aren't mechanical, whatever. So, instead of doing any of those things, just say, let's just throw out $400+ and give up. Incredible. Some of the people on this planet are just absolutely incredible.